Oh, mad! So welcome back to the channel. Well, it's been a while. I think it was around 3 weeks ago, something like this, when I was out and riding. Well, it's still going on, the war, but I could not take it, so I've decided to hit the dirt, even by myself, just on the trails around Pardes Khana, just to see if I remember how to ride two wheels. Yes. So another reason is that it's nice and sunny today, but it's gonna rain heavily once again. Oh, look what I found. A stork. Look how beautiful. Well, I scared it off. Well, this is the time of the year, and the storks migrate from Africa all the way to Europe. Mostly you can see them in Eastern Europe. Wow. Take it easy. I'm all geared up. Still, you know, by myself. And there should have been a left turn here, but it's all overgrown. Let's see if I can... woo! Some deep sand here. It's been a while. It's been a while. Let's see if I take it straight here and then left, if I'm oh, weaving around some deep sand. Oh, and some mud. Well, I like the adventure today. Well, should I take it from the right or the left? You know what? It doesn't really matter. It's an excuse to wash my motorcycle later on. And there should be a crossing to the left here. Let's see if this path is here. Yeah, this should take me all the way, but some irrigation pipes here. Really just to enjoy it. Ooh, wash the mud a bit off. And on the left is Balkan stream, and I'm gonna cross to the north to Ada stream up ahead. This should lead me all the way to Ada stream. Wow, look at these beautiful trees and fields here. Well, I just have to avoid the black mud. Still along Balkan stream. Oh, that's interesting. Ah, it's just a puddle. Look, there's a crossing before. Woo! Nice here. Funny, no GPS reception. Well, this is a known fact during the war, and I'm planning to ride along Taninim stream. Let's see that I can bypass it from the right. Yeah, it's okay. So I'll take it slow and easy here, because it can be bumpy. Oh, it's streaming quite heavy, and I guess I won't be alone here. I'll just take it easy here. It's muddy, so I won't slide to the middle of it. This is quite muddy as well. Ooh. Wow. Still can overtake it. So during warmer days, it's really nice to stroll along and to find such a nice spot like here and just soak yourself in the cold water. guy with a horse. I let him pass. And I enjoy the stream. בבקשה. הכל בשבילך. הכל בשבילך. עצרתי לא להביא את הסוס, בכיף. נו מה? בשביל מה אנחנו פה? בשביל לענות, לא? באמת? בכיף. This guy was amazed I stopped because of the horse. Yes, I did so. Well, this is interesting. Well, there is a trail, but I guess it's locked there. But I'm very curious because the aqueduct is there. But you know what? Let's try it. Not here, but on the left. It's nice and flat. There's one mud patch here. It's a marked trail. Okay. Whoa, that's deep here. This was deep mud. Wow. Now it should go left here. Oh, that's interesting. On the right it's through the orchid. But let's see. Hoppa. Wow, the DR is really something, huh? Plowing its way through. Go through the middle section here. Looks okay. Yeah. Not too deep. Ooh, interesting. Should be a trail to the right. I don't know if this is a trail we usually take. You know what, let's continue as much as possible. Wow, look at this point of view here. Looks really nice. Okay, so this is the aqueduct here. And I guess oh, it goes along here. Interesting. Well, to the left it's blocked. Well, no trail here. Let's try and ride along as much as possible. Maybe this would take me up to the dam. Ooh, this is above the stream. Yeah, this is like a water pipe here. Unable to see, it's barbed wire as well. Well, this used to be the line of the Roman aqueduct flowing from Macedon up ahead all the way to Caesarea. Some parts still exist along the shoreline. Well, I'll be careful with the bees here. Oh, it's really nice here, this trek. Well, should be a way down somewhere, not through the bush. It's a bit bumpy and some blackberries here. Just be aware. Ah, this is a nice spot here. Woo. I don't disturb him. Well, this was a mini adventure, nice. I'm trying to keep it along the stream. Let's see if it works. Wow. The smell of these are humid sections here. There's a quite good smell. Yeah, perfect here. And the main road. Well, let's see what's the condition here, because someone chopped down all the bushes here. I don't know for which reason. Let's see how it looks now. Oh. Well, let's go down for a second. I hear the water. Yeah, it's flowing nice, and this is a mini waterfall here. It's not really a waterfall, but good condition. Catching the drift on the other side of Taninim stream. Riding along here could be nice as well. Oh, look at the donkey on the left. Two donkeys here. They don't mind what's going on. It's the Black Trail now, and it's along highway number 6. Look how beautiful it looks on the right. Wow, it's dry enough. Should go up. Let's see, where does it go to? Rocky and pointy. Wow, this is my first time here. Now this is more of an enduro style. Wow, I'm by myself, and if I drop my bike here, this is very steep, and you can see the rocks there, so it's a no-no for me. Keep it on the lower side. Now just have to overtake the obstacle here. And tackle it as well from here. Yeah, I guess this is a trail. I missed it. Well, this is a marked trail. The Black Trail. First time for me here, but this is nice because if it's a bypass, but it does go steep up, so take a good look before I plunge into it, because it goes over this hill. I could have taken it from here as well. Wow, let's see how steep it is and how muddy it is. You can see 4x4s were here. That's still okay. And there is a car here, so oh, really nice. Well, I guess some cattle is here. Let's see if I can continue here straight on back to the trail along Taninim stream. Oh, that's a nice patch here. But let's see which one, because there is one on the right and one on the left. Well, by the map it's the one on the left. Wow, this is a really nice shortcut, and it's like a wild trail. Yes, and I'm down almost at the main trail here. Yeah, highway number 6, and this is Taninim stream. So I can take it to the right or to the left. Well, look what I found. All the cows in one place. Well, they look quite nice and healthy here. Sorry I disturb you. Well, you know what they say. Don't mess with the bull. He's taking care of the flock. He's trying to scare me. But don't ask me how I know it's the bull. Well, what I'm looking now is for a bypass, because above this hill on the other side there used to be a an entry point to a very nice trail we like to take, but because of the road construction, everything there was blocked. So I'm looking for an entry point now. Let's see, it's not blocked. No, not this one. No. This is a mud pit. But you know what? It is. No, it's just muddy here at the entrance because the cows graze on this side. Yeah, it's dry enough for me. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I found a bypath, and this is when, if you go straight, you reach the main road. Well, this tree was enormous, and I think it was cut down because of the power lines up ahead. Maybe they were afraid that if this tree catches fire, it will burn and damage the power lines. But as you can see, nature is stronger than man. Well, you know this. And this tree is not dead. It's growing again. I'll take a photo for my friends, the sharp riders. You cannot beat nature. And nature stays here before us. Nature was here before us, and it will stay after we are gone. Around the bend is the way I came from a couple of hours ago. This was perfect. This feeling of everything else than war. No stress. As I said before, nature continues. It doesn't ask us questions. And I really hope it will end soon, and we will be able to plan things that will occur as well, and stay safe. So with these perfect hours of the late afternoon between the puddles here in my little backyard paradise, I really hope you enjoyed this short adventure, because I did. So as I zoom past these fields, it's goodbye. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, stay safe, and enjoy yourself, because it's gonna be summer soon, and then it will be warm and I will complain as well. So, you know what? I prefer the mud, definitely. Bye bye.